Previously on Mustang Nation.
When we were installing the pipe, we noticed that the band clamps that are included to connect the catalytic converters to the inlet and outlet pipes, they're kind of thin, but who knows, I might be wrong and they might be fine.
The next day.
It's all because of this, a cheap band clamp that in my opinion shouldn't be holding on exhaust. It split right there and let go. There are 3 more of these on the car and I hope they hold for tomorrow.
Hey everybody, I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. So in the last video, I showed you the Bassani X pipe with CAT's installation on Project Quicksilver here. And I have to tell you, I love the exhaust, the way it sounds now. I love the tone and how deep it is. But I also shared with you my concern with those band clamps that Bassani included with the pipe and how we were worried about them not being up to the task of holding the exhaust. Well, unfortunately, the day after I made that video, while I was looking under the car, I found that one of them had already failed. But I have to give a special shout to Late Model Restoration because they sent me something that's going to solve all of my problems. And here it is. Inside this package are some band clamps that are actually up to the task. So let's throw them on the bench and take a look. So right here we have the clamp that Bassani had included, 2.5-inch band clamp that I showed in the last video. And to be honest, it's just a glorified hose clamp. It's got a nylon lock nut on it. And although it is really robust if it was used for a supercharger or turbocharger, discharge tube, or cold side, it's just not up to the task of heat of exhaust, in my opinion. It's also kind of flimsy, thin metal, and as you can see, it broke right there and released and kind of dropped off the bottom of the pipe. I only noticed it because it was pointing the wrong way, and when I tapped it with a wrench, it kind of flipped around. So in the meantime, I picked up one of these stainless steel 2.5-inch band clamps just for now, but I did make a call to LMR, and this is what they sent me. 4 of these. These are real 2.5-inch band clamps. This is a real heavy-duty nut and bolt. This will handle the heat, and this will clamp down. As you can see, it is about twice the width of this clamp and a lot stronger. So we're going to take a ride out to Real Speed and get it put on the car. Now the car is all set and I have nothing else to worry about. Thanks to Real Speed Automotive for taking care of that. But I have to tell you, Bassani, I don't know what you're thinking. For $500+, a super high quality stainless steel X pipe with CATs, which is of the highest quality, you kind of cheaped out with the clamps. I contacted Bassani. They said yes, this is indeed the clamps that do come with the kit, and I have to tell you, I am largely unimpressed. And like I said, if you were doing the cold side of your turbo or the discharge tube off your supercharger, they would be the way to go. They'd be great for that. But when it comes to exhaust, they're just not up to the task. So if you're gonna buy a Bassani product, you might want to budget a little bit more and get some good, high quality, exhaust grade band clamps. But once again, LMR really stepped up, and you know what? That's why I get the majority of my stuff from them. They back up what they sell, so I really appreciate that. So thanks, LMR. So I hope this helps some of you out there looking to upgrade your exhaust. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing to get all the latest content here on the channel. Well, that's about it for now. I'll see you on the next one.